Are you wondering which CRM is best for growing companies between Teamgate and Freshsales? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which one offers the right tools, pricing, and overall experience to meet your business needs. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a better alternative that might just be what you're looking for, and it's something I personally recommend after testing all these options. First, let's dive into Teamgate. Teamgate is a CRM focused on sales pipeline management. It's designed with simplicity in mind, offering a clean, easy to navigate interface. One standout feature is its pipeline view, which gives you a visual representation of your sales funnel, allowing you to track leads as they move through stages. Teamgate integrates with a wide range of tools like Google Workspace, Outlook, and MailChimp, making it a solid choice for businesses looking for seamless connectivity with their current tools. However, there are limitations in the reporting and automation areas. The reporting functionality isn't as in-depth as some of its competitors, and while automation is available, it might not be as robust as you'd want for a growing company. Next, let's talk about Freshsales. Freshsales is a more comprehensive CRM solution that's ideal for businesses looking for advanced automation, AI-driven insights, and a more customizable experience. It offers features like activity tracking, lead scoring, and deep reporting, which give you a detailed overview of your sales activities. The AI-powered deal insights are particularly valuable as they can help guide your sales strategy. On the downside, Freshsales pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses or startups, especially if you want to unlock more advanced features. Also, its user interface can feel a bit cluttered, which might overwhelm those looking for a simpler experience. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. If you want a CRM that's quick to set up and requires minimal training, Teamgate is definitely the easier option. Its user interface is intuitive, and you'll be up and running in no time. Freshsales, on the other hand, can be a little more complex to get used to due to its advanced features and customization options. Next, customer support. When your team encounters issues, you want a CRM with reliable support. Both Teamgate and Freshsales offer support through email and live chat, but Freshsales stands out with its detailed knowledge base and user community. However, Teamgate's support is generally fast and helpful, though it might not have the extensive self-help resources that Freshsales provides. The fifth thing to mention is pricing. Teamgate offers competitive pricing, especially for smaller teams and startups. Their plans are budget-friendly, but as your company grows, you might feel limited by the features included in the lower-tier plans. Freshsales, while more expensive, offers more advanced features like AI insights and in-depth reporting at higher tiers, which could be a good investment if you need those capabilities. Now, here's the thing, both Teamgate and Freshsales are solid options, but they have their shortcomings, whether it's the lack of in-depth reporting or the complexity of setup and pricing. So, after testing both myself and considering what's actually best for growing companies, I'd recommend checking out an alternative CRM that's tailor-made for businesses looking to scale. This solution is more user-friendly, offers advanced automation, and provides a free trial with exclusive benefits just for you. So, if you're looking for a better alternative for growing companies, take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.